Hi, I'm Cynthia Marnie.
And I'm Louise Thompson. And we're still in the Park High. You may have seen one of our other videos where we are sharing some of the content from the workshops and programs that we facilitate together. And the problem that we have is we go along to these workshops, don't we, Cynthia? And we love participating and we actually love facilitating. And it's a great feeling at the end. There's actually even hugs and sharing details. But what happens when you leave? So we are very quickly talking about a key component of our program, and that is to take action. So what do we do?
I'm so glad you asked me, Louise. How do you be accountable to yourself, and how do you take action for success? So through the program, we'll be encouraging you to note down a whole heap of ideas that you've got, learnings from your past, what you're doing at the moment, who you want to be in the future to be your best self. And you'll be listening to other people, you'll be hearing, of course, gold from Louise and I through the program, and you'll have your own reflections. So there'll be lots and lots and lots of ideas generated. Now, the problem with this approach is if we just left it there, that can be quite overwhelming. Where is it that you start? So at the end of the workshop, we want to spend time with you, and we take you through a process of having a look at all of those possible actions that you've identified, but coming back and thinking about what's really going to have impact for you. What are 2 or 3 key actions that you can focus on right now, the minute that you leave the workshop, and put them in place so that you can take action and actually make change. Go from, oh, I've got so many great ideas, to I am going to change. And so we have a template, we have a tool that we will provide you along with a workshop, a workbook of all of the content that we deliver, and we'll leave you really well resourced for you to be able to take action for success.
So the only way to finish then is to take action. Look out for when our next public program is, or potentially bring us into your organisation and we can run a program which has this type of content. We look forward to hearing from you.
And we coach as well. We do coaching too, so we often find that workshops are terrific and there's a lot of impact, but also one-on-one coaching can be a really powerful tool for you to make change. So get in touch with us and take action today.